In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find image prompts for Google Gemini. By the end, you'll feel confident opening Gemini, starting a clean conversation, asking for richly detailed image prompt ideas, and submitting your request to get fast, high-quality suggestions you can use right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to gemini.google.com BAP. This brings you directly into the Gemini experience where you can create and refine prompt ideas without distractions. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. It simply lets Gemini save your chats and provide a more consistent experience. Once you're on the main page, you're in the right place to begin. Next, start a fresh conversation by selecting New Chat. A blank chat gives you a clean slate so your results aren't influenced by anything you previously asked. This helps Gemini focus entirely on the kind of image prompts you want today. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the option, look for a plus icon or a new conversation button. It serves the same purpose. Now, type your request in the message box. Since the goal is to find image prompts, be specific about what you want Gemini to produce. For example, you might write, generate 20 diverse, detailed image prompts about cityscapes at dusk, covering multiple styles like cinematic, watercolor, cyberpunk, and minimalist. For each prompt, include subject, style, composition, lighting, color palette, mood, and one distinctive detail. Keep each prompt 1 to 2 sentences. You can target a theme like nature or product shots, or call out genres such as editorial, fantasy, or street photography. If you care about variety, ask for a balanced mix of wide shots and close-ups, portraits and landscapes, or soft natural light and dramatic chiaroscuro. You can also ask for constraints like avoiding logos or text and request short and long variants of the same idea. The clearer you are with attributes, subject, style, composition, lighting, color, mood, and a signature detail, the better the prompts you'll get. When you're happy with your wording, click Submit or press Enter. Gemini will generate a set of image prompt ideas based on your instructions. Read through them and note which ones match your vision. If you want to refine the tone, scale up complexity, or focus on a niche style, you can immediately ask for adjustments in the same chat. For example, make these more cinematic, or expand prompt 4 with richer lighting notes. Repeat as needed until the prompts feel ready for your creative workflow. That's all there is to it. Simple, structured, and fast.